Hey everybody, wanted to make this quick video to show you how we can create a default value in pick lists on any of the standard objects in Salesforce. So here you can see I'm going to take the lead object, and on lead objects I'm going to look at field and relationships, and under quick find I'm going to just look for source. So here's our lead source field. So you can see here are the values on the lead source field. So if I do click edit, we are able now to make any of the options from the pick list the default value. And then ultimately that will be reflected when we do create a new lead now within our environment. You'll see when I do add new free trial is automatically selected as the lead source. So that's it. That's all we have to do is go into whatever field on the lead source that we want to make the default, check that box. And then when we go to create that new lead, that will automatically be selected.